What's up everyone? I'm Kevin with HaloLifts, and today we're going to talk about our Tremor Stage 3 kit, what's included and what some options you can add to it. Both these front coilovers and rear shocks are 2.5-inch shock diameter. Up here on the front, you have a remote reservoir with high and low speed dampening control. The coilover is preset at 1.5 inches over your stock height of your Tremor. Tremors came 1 inch lifted from Ford. Now these are preset at 1.5 inches. When you pull those out, then you're pretty much at zero. These are 2 to 3 inches of lift. You'll gain 1.5 inches out of the box where you're currently sitting at. Now we'll move to the rear shock. Rear shock has a remote reservoir as well. It does have the dampening control, just like your front. Red knob is for your low speed. The black knob here, that may be a little hard to see, is for your high speed dampening. Both of these shocks are fully rebuildable. Next, that's included in your kit is the spanner wrench and an Allen key. And here's some options you can add to your kit. One option is the SPC upper control arms. These are recommended if you do anything at 2.5 inches or above. It's pretty much recommended to do upper control arms. These SPCs have a maintenance-free, fully adjustable and replaceable ball joints. If you have a 402A Tremor, you may notice that you may have auto leveling headlights. You'll have this little bracket up here on your stock upper control arm. This bracket replaces that, so your auto leveling headlights can be mounted to these upper control arms as well. Next that you can add to the kit is the cast and camber kits. These go on your lower A-arms to just help get your cast and camber more an adjustment easier for your alignment tech. It just, when you raise the vehicle, you kind of get out of spec, you add those, it just sucks everything in a lot easier. If you have any questions about this kit or any other kits that we offer, please don't hesitate to reach out and we'll be happy to answer them for you.